Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Professor Ishrat Nas from Government Degree Science College, Malur. Today my topic is properties of proteins. Protein has a lot of properties. Number 1, protein contain largely carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur, and it may also be other types of constituents can be found. Number 2, proteins are found in hair, nail, skin, horns, muscles, blood and membranes. Number 3, some proteins function as enzymes, special types of enzymes. Number 4, they play a role in immunological functions. Number 5, they carry oxygen to the blood and muscles. Number 6, proteins are colorless, insoluble in water, alcohol and ether. Now we are starting structure of the proteins. Structure of proteins consists of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary structure of proteins. First of all, there is what is the primary structure of proteins. Primary structure of proteins का क्या मतलब है? Primary proteins of structure of proteins का मतलब ये है कि it consists of linear arrangement of amino acid residues in given polypeptide chain. Means कि primary structure of protein से हमें ये पता चलता है कि अमाइनो एसिड के उस polypeptide chain में कितने रेजिड्यूज़ हैं और कितने अमाइनो एसिड से मिलकर एक प्रोटीन बना है. नंबर 2 पर हमारे पास है प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन के बाद सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. Secondary structure of protein, it is a protein conformation structure, consists of hydrogen bond, disulfide, ionic and hydrophobic bonds. And the alpha helix and beta pleated sheet is also found in secondary structure of proteins. So most important two types of sheet जो proteins में पाई जाती हैं, alpha helix and beta pleated sheets, वो भी secondary structure of proteins में ही पाई जाती हैं, जहाँ से हमें बॉन्ड एंगल, बॉन्ड लेंथ और इनकी पूरी तरतीब अरेंजमेंट का अमाइनो एसिड्स का सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन से पता चलता है. It is a structure of the parallel beta plated sheets, and now as you are watching there, in beta plated sheet there is the pleated structure extended inward and outward, where carbon double bonded oxygen is present and hydrogen with the weak covalent interaction with their nitrogen and oxygen is present. It means that these hydrophobic and hydrophilic interactions are presenting the stabilizing structure of the protein of the amino acids. These are the tertiary structure of the proteins. In the tertiary structure of proteins, you are watching that it is the overlapped structure. Overlapping means many proteins, very compact and high molecular weight protein structure of the heme. It is the structure of the hemoglobin molecule, where is the heme is allied in the center, and these are the polypeptide chains which are overlapping to each other and forming the chiral shape. This chiral shape is forming in fact the tertiary structure of protein, and it is not found in every type of the protein, but very special type of the protein like blood proteins and like the proteins which are found in our immunity. These type of proteins contains tertiary structure of the protein. So dear students, it is confirmed now that tertiary structure of proteins are found in very special types of the protein. Dear students, it is the quaternary structure of protein of an hemoglobin. As in the diagram you are watching, there are the alpha and beta positions. In alpha beta position you are watching that hydrogens are aligning at the outward position. Hydrogens, this is the alpha helical position and it is the beta position. It is the hydrogen, oxygen, and other there is the oxygen. So 4 types of structures are there which are extended outward and forming an hemoglobin structure. Heme is, it is the iron protein. As you are watching, it is iron protein which is lying inside of the structure. So this is the quaternary structure of the protein of a hemoglobin. Quaternary structure is also found not in every type of the protein, but a very special type of the proteins contain the quaternary structure of the proteins.